Come on guys, West Virginia Bassmaster here, and in today's video we're going to be doing some small pond panfish fly fishing. Give it a go. Not the best at fly fishing, so we're just gonna have to see how the video's gonna go, but have to get a couple things ready before we start the actual fishing part. I got to tie a leader, whole 9 yards, so please stay tuned. We're going to start off with this little guy. I was never really big on fly fishing, so I'm not sure how to pick the perfect fly, but that's what we're going to start off with. So hopefully we can catch some bluegill, crappie, or some bass on them. So catch you later. Sorry guys, for that noise. And caught up on the GoPro stand, that's nice. No action yet so far, guys. I don't know, man. It's like I never was too good at fly fishing. Yeah, I've caught a few fish on flies, but not a lot. So I don't know. I mean, it's like a starter fly rod. It's a Crystal River. It's a 8-foot 6/7 fly. It's all 6/7. Oh, I got one. I got a fish. So fish on. And we're snagged. We got a fish. Old bluegill. Wait, no. Little crappie. Little crappie. So, I mean, we'll take some crappie. Here we go. Caught a nice little crappie. Ooh, he stabbed me right in the hand. See here. Here we go. So, nice little crappie. Nothing too bad. I'd say it's 6-7 inches. Decent little guy. Get a picture real quick. It's my first fly fishing crappie of the year. Nice little mouth, and I just dropped him back here, buddy. But yep, first crappie of the year. He's off. All right, so it's an exciting catch. Honestly, wasn't expecting to catch crappie So here we go. First crappie fish. Our first, that's not my first crappie of the year. It's my first crappie. But that's my first crappie I've ever caught on a fly rod. So it's pretty exciting. We are hooked up again, and it looks like this is a bluegill. Yeah, it's a bluegill. Little guy. He's nice though. Oh, come here, buddy. Get in there. Yeah, this guy swallowed the fly. Oh, good thing I brought pliers. So. Oh, come on. There we go. Hooks out. So, little bluegill. So, sinking fish so far of this fly fishing video. So, stay tuned, guys. We have fish 3 here on our fly. It's just a little bluegill. I'll watch this one come up and eat it. Sometimes this fly sinks and sometimes it floats. I don't know. Throwing it on 4.5 pound leader line. So, yeah. So, fish number 3 is a little bluegill. Stay tuned, guys. There's a group of bluegills here fighting over the fly. I just felt one have tension on it there. I don't know if you guys can see where I'm casting out there. There's one just came up and hit it. I think one's got it. No. They're just fighting over a fly right here, right in front of me. Reel it in a little bit. They're hitting it, and then they're letting go. Just trying to flip it out there and get it. You're trying to catch one now. There's one just got it. One has it. They're nibbling it. They're not really taking it. I don't know if you guys watch the end of my line there. See, it's swerving all over the place. These fish aren't like 100% committing to it. 100% committing to the fly. They're there. Oh, missed him. There. Got one. There's one. Yep, a little guy. Okay. There we go. Fish number 4. Need those pliers again. Oh, I didn't even have him hooked. I just had him on a pressure. Look at that fish. Look at those black dots over there. It's a beautiful fish. Fish number 4, guys. Guys, like I was saying in the last video, I want to put a Q&A together, and the only way I'll be able to put a Q&A together is if you guys put like questions in the comment section so I can answer them on camera. That's the only way I'll be able to do a Q&A. So if you have any questions for me, just put those in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. Some questions have duplicates. Right now I have 3 questions standing. So if in order to do a Q&A, I'm going to need more than 3 questions. So I'd like to have about 10 questions. So yeah, put your questions in the comment section. I don't know if this is fish 5 or fish 6. I can't tell. I forget. But here we go. Another bluegill on the same fly we've been using. Gonna need the he's bleeding. I don't know why all these fish are choking this bait, honestly. Here we go. I think we had a pretty successful day of fly fishing. I think we caught 6 fish, 1 crappie and 5 bluegills or something like that. But if you enjoy videos like this, you know, like and subscribe and comment whether you want more videos like this in the future. But as always, please like and subscribe. Peace out.